So you find yourself understaffed. It happens to everyone, especially in a tough job market like this one. We at Veryable know that staffing is a huge issue because we help companies connect with workers every day through our on-demand labor marketplace. Hi, I'm Jacob Haley, and I'm the General Manager for Veryable here in North Texas. In this video, you'll learn the common problems caused by understaffing and immediate steps you can take to get back to where you need to be. When you're already understaffed and demand ramps up unexpectedly, you end up being rushed to find additional workers so that you don't fall behind. This desperation to fill holes in your headcount rarely yields positive results, as you likely end up hiring workers that aren't ideal for your operations. Another typical workaround to being understaffed is that you end up asking more out of your existing FTEs through overtime hours. Not only is this costly, it also results in burnout and eventually more FTE turnover. All of these problems end up compounding to where productivity and efficiency takes a hit, and ultimately you're going to fall behind on achieving your KPIs. So how do you prevent finding yourself in a situation where your operations are understaffed? There are a few ways that you can catch back up and maintain your ideal headcount while avoiding this situation in the future. The first thing is to improve retention of your FTEs. There is no silver bullet for achieving this, but there are quite a few areas that can assist. First is to get competitive with your wages. If you're able to retain your FTEs, you're going to see productivity improve, which will lead to an increase in profitability. Second is to reduce overtime. Sure, some workers do seek out overtime, but not all do. Even the workers who seek out overtime, they're eventually going to get burned out and start looking elsewhere for employment. Though it is challenging to calculate the true impact OT can have on the quality of work, it certainly can have a negative effect. Next is to offer opportunities for advancement. Workers that are continuing to learn and grow are more likely to stick around. Lastly is to constantly engage with your workers. Gemba walks should be a part of any leader's daily routine, and that is the perfect forum to understand what issues are your workers facing. And this also promotes a continuous improvement culture within your organization to reduce those daily issues your workers are constantly dealing with. If you don't need people permanently, an option like on-demand labor will work for you. The ideal way to utilize on-demand labor is to first identify what your minimum FTE headcount needs to be. Demand is always going to fluctuate up and down, and when you're optimally staffed to that minimum, you can utilize Veryable's on-demand labor platform to build out a flexible extension of your workforce, so you're matching capacity to demand in real time. If you want to build flexibility into your workforce, create a business profile with Veryable and begin posting ops today.